Hi everyone, welcome back to Intuitive Garden Tarot. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nicole Merriman, and I do offer personal readings. If you'd like to book a reading with me, please go to intuitivegardentarot.org and you may book a session with me there. So I thought I would share an interesting question that I had inside myself lately about microwave ovens. So it being Wednesday, let's call it way out there Wednesday. I did some research online and I noticed that there are opposing narratives. There's science that says microwaves are fine, in fact, even improve the quality of your food, and there's science out there that says that's not true, that it degrades nutrients and that our bodies receive and interpret microwave food as being toxic and foreign, and it stresses our immune system. So let's see what the cards have to say about this. Okay. Temperance, Two of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Strength, and Knight of Wands. Okay, interesting. So it definitely does some kind of transformation of the food besides just heating it up. There's a change that occurs to the food. And it looks like there are some nutrients that are affected, some that aren't. Perhaps some bodies notice it more than others as well, because the Two of Pentacles can be about our physical selves. But it definitely switches things up. That's for sure what I'm getting right now. And I'm not appreciating that the dark light is around the pentacle on top of this card. But it could go either way, or it could just be partially a problem, like I said. And in the overall atmosphere of this question, there's a very abundant card, Ten of Pentacles. So this could be, and it's around this family. And there's a key. So I'm wondering if that's a nod to, there's lots of money made around microwaves, microwave foods, pre-made foods that you can now have meals delivered to your doorstep for people who are too busy. In general, though, it looks like it's physically okay. And with the near outcome being the Queen of Cups, she's all about her emotions. And I am getting that it might affect our hormones in some way or another, especially for those of you who don't know plastic. You don't want to microwave anything in plastic. At the very least, put it in a glass container or a ceramic container, bowl, plate. Yeah, and I'm getting again that there's something about how it really can tame the cycles, moon cycles. It can affect women's menstrual cycles and perhaps fertility. Again, there's a lot of evidence out there that plastics can do that. And it's further supported by this Knight of Wands with this burning wand charging ahead. So I do get a sense that the radiation has some impact on it. It's not just the plastics. But I started off feeling like it could go either way, or it might not affect everyone. That could just be saying that it affects women more than men. So let's further clarify this with some oracle cards to give some more insight into this question. Okay. Twin flame, mirroring, shared feelings and reflection. And there's something here between these two people that are connected. And it says it's followed by trapped, stuck, tied down, captive, and heart fog, mixed signals, blocked emotions, messed up. Let me see if I can get that more into focus. There's someone free falling. And I immediately heard free radicals. I wonder if it creates free radical activity which damages our cell structure. And the twin flame mirroring shared feelings, reflection. I'm wondering, I need more clarification on that. How does that fit in? I don't like trapped in heart fog, though. This is looking more like it's not a good thing. And that it might even leave some elements that are unhealthy for our bodies that we can't digest. Again, that would be the plastics, in my opinion. But use your own intuition, do your own research. So to clarify, twin flame curse. So again, it says hex, witchcraft, negative mind. It can, according to this reading, affect our emotions, which can affect our relationships, and it can lower our frequency. That's what I'm getting from negative mind. And I was wondering initially with the twin flame mirroring shared feelings and reflections, if that's indicating that it looks fine, it tastes fine. Some things, the texture is a little off. You know, when you try to microwave a pizza, you can't get a good crust, etc. I think it's giving a nod to it reflects what would be a nutritious meal, but it's actually holding us down, lowering our frequency in some way or another. They're very convenient, and we use them all the time. But I know some people that have done extensive research on this into the scientific data haven't had a microwave in their house for 20 years. And lately I've been warming up things more stovetop, or just eating them room temperature when I pull something out of the fridge in advance, and I just let it come to room temperature and I'll enjoy it that way. So do what feels right for you. But I just wanted to share this message with you as I'm figuring it out myself. And I know I'm going to be using the microwave less often, but I probably still will use it at times when it just comes in handy, or for part of something that I need to quickly deal with. Again, do your own research, and if you have any interesting questions like this that you'd like me to explore, please leave them in the comments. I'd be happy to look into anything else, because I've noticed with the science and all the research, there science doesn't prove anything over anything else a lot of the times. There's equal science to say the opposite. So when we're sensing in our own intuition that, you know, generally we've been told this, but I'm feeling that about this situation. I'd like to look into it into the cards and do a reading on it. So I'm open to whatever questions you have. And if this is something you enjoy, also let me know in the comments and I can make this more regular. Other than that, have a great day. See you next time.